concentrated sodium hydroxide. Solid reacting with OH appears, we form sodium silicate plus water. Balance charges, I think the equation is balanced, okay? Then aluminum oxide, for it being amphoteric, it will dissolve in concentrated sodium hydroxide, forming sodium aluminate. But for us, we are going to write the ionic equation. So Al2, aluminum oxide, in solid state, reacts with concentrated sodium hydroxide, we form sodium aluminate, which is AlOH4. Iron appears steady. We balance the charges. How many moles of water are we going to add here? So I put my 2 there. So hydrogen here I've increased it to 8. So here hydrogen, how many hydrogen atoms do I have here? I have only 2, not so? So I need to create 6 of them here. To create 6, I have to add 3 moles of water. The equation balance is Al2. Yeah. You get your 1.5 marks. Equation. So now here silicon dioxide, iron 3 oxide. Okay, silica and this one they have dissolved also. But iron 3 oxide and titanium 4 oxide, they have refused to dissolve because for them they don't dissolve in sodium hydroxide. Now we are going to take the whole all of them for filtration, okay? When we go for filtration, actually in the solution, if this is the whole with its impurities, okay? In this, we have dissolved it in concentrated sodium hydroxide, okay? Here now, we are going to have silicate iron, okay? We are going to have aluminate iron, okay? Here, we are going to have in solution, we are going to have also titanium 4 oxide here. We are going to have iron 3 oxide. So now we are going to take them and filter them, okay? When we filter them, we are going to have silicate iron and aluminate iron as